I'm choosing Sherwood Green as my background. I'm going to join a Snowflake table with a Databricks table with a bunch of flat files on AWS. I choose the Super Join Builder. I've got my Snowflake table out there. Now I drag a Databricks table in. We'll go with the state governors table, and it says, hey, how do these two join? I go state and state code, and I'm ready to go. There they are. I just pick the columns. Notice Nexus builds the SQL, but that's just the beginning. Watch this. This is my AWS bucket, and now I've got a JSON file in there. I've got a Parquet file in there. I've got a CSV, and I've got an Excel spreadsheet. I've already created the join. There it is. I just did a 6-table join. That's how you join anything with Nexus. Reunite your data.